Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to prepare mutton kabsa. First we have to add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. Into that add 2 chopped onions. Saute until the onions are browned. In between we can soak the rice. Here I am using Mehran Sila rice. So I am taking here 3 cups of Mehran Sila rice and soak it for an hour. Once the onions are brown, add in 2 chopped garlic into it and then saute well, and once sauteed, add in the mutton pieces. I am using here 1 kg mutton. See that the mutton is cut into big pieces. Saute well until the mutton is browned well. Once the mutton is browned, I am adding the spices. Here I am adding 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks and 6 cardamom, 2 dried lemon, puree of 2 big tomatoes and tomato paste, that is 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I am using here Mehran's Kabsa masala. Here I am adding in 2 tablespoons of Mehran's Kabsa masala. Once they are mixed well, add in enough salt and 1 cup of water and pressure cook until the mutton is cooked well. Now we can see that the mutton is cooked well. Now we pour in all the same ingredients into a bigger pan so that we can cook the rice in it. Now add in the soaked rice into the mutton gravy. Add enough hot water into that such that the water level is 1 inch above the rice level. Add in enough salt and let the rice cook well. The mutton kabsa is ready here. Do try it out and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.